In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to unblock someone on your Huawei Wi-Fi router. This works for Huawei Home Gateway, ONT series, WS series, and most fiber routers. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. First, connect your phone or computer to your Wi-Fi and then open any browser and type this into the address bar. If that doesn't work, try 1.1 at the end. Press enter to load the login page. Now enter your login details here. The username is usually admin and the password is printed on the sticker at the back of your router. It may be something like admin1234 or root. If you change it before, use your updated password. Once you are in the router dashboard, on most Huawei routers, you will find it under Home Networks. Then you need to go WLAN settings and WLAN access control. Here you will see options like these that are shown on your screen. Tap on blacklist and then access control list to view all the devices that are currently blocked from your Wi-Fi. Find the device you want to unblock. It may show the device name or a MAC address like this. Select it, then click delete, then remove or allow to unblock it. Once done, click save or apply to make sure the new settings take effect. Restarting the router can help apply the changes more smoothly, but it's not always necessary. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.